Hey guys, welcome back to the video, and today I got a very cool Tesla Model 3 or Tesla Model Y accessory for you. It's these ambient lights. As you may know, Tesla with the premium interior got ambient lighting, and when it gets dark the ambient light turns on. But the problem with those stock ambient lights are that they are pretty weak. And because of that, I highly recommend that you buy like new ones, like from a third-party delivery company. These are brighter, these are more bright, and these ones are, why are you laughing, man? These are violet, and like there are red ones, yellow ones, blue ones. You can choose the color you want to, and white is a little bit boring, so I choose just the violet ones. I got these from AliExpress because like you can also buy them on Amazon, but on Amazon they are like twice the price, and I think on Amazon, like these resellers on Amazon get them from AliExpress, so I recommend to you that you will buy them from Amazon, from AliExpress directly. So let's go, I will show you how you get them on your Tesla Model 3. So I ordered like in one of these are 4, like 4 and 4 equals 8. So I got 8, 4 for the doors, 2 for the driver and the passenger seat, and 2, I don't know, for the trunk. Let's see how it looks. Starting, like here you can already see it's a little bit violet. Can you see it? Obviously when it's daytime you cannot see it very good, but I will show you the before and after. Like I will show you on the evening, I will do a shot. Like on the passenger seats, it's also the stock one here, it's the new one. I will show you the differences because this one is like much more bright. Now my English is bad, much brighter. But anyway, sorry, I'm talking shit right now. Here I got them because I already unboxed it. And let's start with the door. You only need one screwdriver. I don't know, man. Just need one of those. Go away! Ah. Oh fuck, man. You just need this, and it's pretty easy. Press it on there, pretty easy. So on the next one, I will show you better. So first, you open the door. You lay down. Now can you see that light? Vielleicht musst du vor mir anliegen, oder sieht man es? Stehst du her, sieht man es? Can you see it? Yes? Yeah, you can talk. No, don't be shy. You see that hole? You just go in there with your screwdriver and whoa, yeah, this was a bit nearly broke it, but yeah, it goes like that. And then you just press in there and pull it out. Pretty easy. And now, one moment, I'll get you the new one. Alter, wie so Spaß ist. Here the second bag. Oh fuck, sorry. Then you just take it and you just have to plug it in. But the right way, obviously. And you don't have to be scared because of the electricity. It's like low volt, so it cannot shock you. But I'm also scared, but it really cannot shock you. You don't have to be scared. But I'm too dumb to plug it in, sorry. So pretty easy, just pretty easy, and then just you press it up, and that's, yeah, it's just that, it's so easy. Well, cameraman, you want to do one? Yes? Okay, let's go. Okay, no, come on, let's go to the other side. And yeah guys, I will link you those from Ali from AliExpress down in the description below. It's really the same one, I think, as those from Amazon. It's good quality, I think. I really think that the Amazon guys got them from AliExpress. It's just a little bit little bit annoying that the delivery time is pretty long on AliExpress. It really took like 1 month to ship, but it's all good, man. So guys, right now it's night time, and as you see, it's a huge difference. Like the stock one is pretty weak, and as I said before, and yeah, the one from AliExpress is like, man, you can see the difference. You have eyes in your head. I think it's worth it to buy this one. I think the effect on camera is much more. In real life it's not that bright. If you have a Tesla, you know how it is, and it's really like twice as, the brightness is twice as strong as, yeah, as I said before. I don't want to bore you, and I will show you now the lights. Oh, now it's turned off. Now I will show you the lights and from the doors. It looks pretty sick, and yeah, I hope this video was helpful. I will link the pieces down below in the description, and yeah, hope it was helpful. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for future videos. Have a good day, guys. Peace.